believe it's gonna try to make a move. I don't know what's going on here, guys. Mm. Da, 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 da. Can't be taking this kind of loss. Everything is saying going down, except for the stochastic. Stochastic is still riding above. It wants to push down. Yeah, that's 12,294. About to go farther down, probably. Again, we're in a downtrend. I'm trying to catch it on the high, especially on the new candle. And then, yeah, I think I'm going to jump in for one small trade, and then I'm going to let you guys go. And let's just see what happens. Wow, look at that RSI starting to break. It looks like, yeah, looks like the green is trying to break the blue on the stochastic. It's really itching to take a forward upward move, but that's not where it's at. Everything is below the 20 on the stochastic. Everything below the 30 on the RSI. So, that would have been a good trade to bet 1,000 on. Yeah. Yeah, it's really heavy. Oh, I got in that candle too late. Sorry, guys. Got in that candle too late. Late on that candle. Ah. Mm. And then I'm going to get up out of here. This is it. Just messing around here. About 1,000. Well, at 12A. And guys, again, this is your partner here, Mr. Cosmic, aka Cosmic Trading Academy, where we trade with you. And basically I'm just doing a practice, and guys, leave some comments, subscribe if you want to be part of, hang out, or check out different stuff, strategies. Hopefully you can tell me some things that I can learn, and I can tell you some things, and some things might work for you, some things might work for me. I'd be intrigued, and again, I'm just sharing, and if you have an idea, let me know. All right, bye.